visitor come here at Hagemann, they ring the bell, and then they have to go through the lobby, through our side office doors to come into the office to check in. Once they ring the bell and enter our front doors, there is about 15 to 20 feet before they get to the office, and sometimes we'll have visitors get confused, they'll pass those doors up and they'll end up in our commons and around the building. If Prop S passed, we would be fortunate enough to be able to secure our office and our building, even more so because our visitors would actually enter the office before entering any part of our school. So we would have hands-on right as they come in. We would be able to see what they needed before they entered into any part of our building. We have a student on crutches or in a wheelchair. It's very hard to get them down to that playground, and many times they have to play on our blacktop because we only have steps to get down to our playground as well as our grassy field. So with Prop S, we would be able to add that accessibility so all students could be able to use our playground equipment. We do not have a very big parking lot in the front of Hagemann here. And when we do have big events, we only have one entrance and exit, and it creates a lot of congestion here, and it causes us a delay for our parents to get out of the parking lot, and it's just not feasible. And we have people parking up on Hagemann Road, we have people waiting to get out of the parking lot. So that has been a big issue for us with only having the one entrance and exit. With Prop S, we would get a second entrance and exit, so we could have a better flow of traffic through our parking lot. It would also create a few additional parking spaces, which would help alleviate some families having to park up on Hagemann Road and walking down our hill.